for breakfast this morning, we're having Spam hash. Hickory smoked Spam, I'm gonna dice up, cook some hash browns, toss it all together with some eggs and cheese, and that'll be breakfast. Do you like Spam?
Yes.
Okay, that's what we're having. We like our potatoes and our Spam to be crispy. So I'm gonna let this keep cooking a little bit longer. Oh, we're getting pretty close. Now that looked like a lot of potatoes and Spam when I put them in the pan, but once the potatoes cooked and the Spam cooked down, it's not as much as it looks like.
Needs ketchup.
Ketchup.
Just kidding.
Okay, tonight we're having Italian sausage stew. So diced onions, Italian sausage, garlic, all browned in butter. And then I've added a chopped up zucchini, some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and I'm going to put in a can of diced tomatoes and a little bit of chicken broth or beef broth, whatever works, and let that simmer for a while. And then we're going to add a little bit of cream cheese and some Parmesan cheese. So we'll let this cook for a while and then check it again. Okay, so let it simmer for about a half an hour. Melting cream cheese in here. And then I'm going to add some spinach and some Parmesan cheese. Okay, I will chop up the spinach in little pieces though for you. So let the spinach cook down and then it'll be ready.